I have a new script to show you, this time for Illustrator. The script saves the current document as a PDF and gives the PDF a name the user controls. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. This script works on an open document. To run the script, go to the File menu. Scripts. I already have the script installed in Illustrator. For help adding scripts to Illustrator, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. Select Saved Named PDF. The first option is the file name. Here you may enter any literal text, but there is more. To the right of the file name input is a button with 3 dots. Click the button to get a new window, Add Variables. The file name input is repeated, and below it is a list of variables. You may input the placeholder for a desired variable, or click the button to insert it. F is the file name without extension. W and H are the artboard dimensions. And U is the measurement units set below. X is also set below. Artboard size scale. This is a multiplier for layouts not built to actual size. For example, if set to 4, this means 1/4 scale. And the variables W and H are multiplied by 4. So for an artboard 11 inches tall, in the file name, it becomes 44. You can also add the folder name where the document is located. And finally, there are variables for date and time, either long or short format. When done, click OK or Cancel to close the window. You don't have to open the window to use variables. Any can be entered directly once memorized. The window is just to show the variables and help enter them. The next section is Options. Here you can replace or remove periods or spaces, and change the letter case of the entire file name. The option Remove Diacritics changes characters with accents to the equivalent basic glyph without the accent. This is to avoid problems with file systems that don't understand Unicode. The next section is Output. The button Folder selects where the PDF will be saved. This defaults to the location of the open document. To choose another folder, click the button and navigate to the desired folder. The path to the folder appears beside the button. To the right of the folder path is a button with 3 dots. When clicked, another window opens, Output Folder. Here you can select from recent folders. Click one and it becomes the output folder. Below the list is Default Output Folder. Click the button Set Default and choose the desired folder. The path to the folder is displayed above the button. Now, whenever the script runs, the output folder is the same. Or leave the default None, and it's always where the document is located. When done, click OK or Cancel to close the window. Next is the choice of PDF preset to use when saving the PDF. Last is the option Replace Existing Output File. If disabled, and a file of the same name exists, the user must confirm replacing it. The current settings can be saved. This is handy for particular clients or workflows that use a unique file naming scheme. Click the button Save and give the settings a name. You may also choose to include the current output folder. Then each time the settings are used, the PDF is saved to a consistent location. Or leave it unchecked and the defaults are used. When everything is set as desired, click OK, and a PDF of the document is saved. Here's the result in Bridge. The PDF file name has the variables resolved. The script uses Save As to make the PDF, the same the user would from the File menu, which has the annoying result of the saved PDF then being the open document, unless using Save As Copy. To overcome this, the script closes the saved PDF and reopens the original document, so you're right back to where you left off. But note, the script first saves the original document. This is to prevent surprises, like saving a copy and reopening the original only to find it in a prior state. That could be upsetting. So be aware that the script also saves the original document before saving the PDF copy. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. There are many more scripts and videos for them. Click one of the links on screen or a playlist for more. Thank you for watching.